Forgotten username recovery failed on Bitfinex Fix. If you can't remember your Bitfinex username, most people panic and try guessing. But the surprising truth is that recovery is straightforward if you use your registered email and follow the right steps. Step 1. Go to the Bitfinex login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. Bitfinex will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure recovery link. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather your full name, verification documents, and any recent account or tray activity. Bitfinex support can confirm your identity and help you recover your username safely. Step 3. Follow the recovery instructions carefully. Check spam or junk folders if the email doesn't appear immediately. Step 4. If the automated process fails, contact Bitfinex support directly. Explain your situation, provide your verification details, and they will securely restore your account access. The key takeaway is that a forgotten username isn't permanent. With proper verification, Bitfinex ensures a secure and efficient recovery process so you can get back to managing your crypto without delay.